CTFO delivers the future of CBD with its breakthrough 10x Pure patented formulation and worldwide distribution agreement. What makes 10x Pure so unique? CTFO recently completed an exploratory scientific endeavor in which we observed that 10x Pure supercharged oil appeared to protect the integrity of CBDA. You may be wondering, what is CBDA? Cannabidiolic acid, also known as CBDA, has been shown to be more effective than CBD, especially at reducing pain and inflammation. CBDA is considered to be the mother of CBD. In technical terms, CBDA is called a precursor. CBD is created when the naturally occurring raw CBDA from the hemp plant is processed and converted into CBD. Unprocessed CBDA from hemp is absolutely pure, natural, and free of solvents or any toxic residue. Check out this diagram. On the left, you can see the levels of CBDA detected in liver cells that have been exposed to regular CBD hemp oil. On the right are liver cells with CTFO's 10x Pure. You can clearly see the greater levels of CBDA present on the right with 10x Pure. This is a really important discovery because CBDA has shown to be more water-soluble in 10x Pure oil than hemp oil alone. Let's back up for a minute. CBD from hemp oil. It's everywhere these days, and we are only beginning to scratch the surface of the inner workings of the endocannabinoid system and the vital impact CBD could have on our bodies. There has been an overwhelming amount of supporting medical research on the many benefits of this powerful plant, from pain reduction to supporting a healthier immune system, reducing inflammation, promoting healthy blood sugar levels, and cardiovascular health. The potential benefits are seemingly endless, but not all CBD is created equal in terms of purity, potency, flavor, and especially effectiveness when it comes to providing all of these health benefits. Our proprietary 10x Pure formulation goes through a patented process that supercharges the oils with oxygen and removes the protective outer layer of the oil molecule, leaving an exposed molecule which promotes more effective absorption. There is an old saying, blood is thicker than water. In reality, your blood is almost 80% water. 10x Pure supports a higher level of penetration and absorption. The amazing health benefits of CBD hemp oil cannot be denied. However, our 10x Pure patented technology totally sets us apart from everyone else in the industry because of the increased amount of cannabinoids that could end up in your body. With 10x Pure, you can now unlock unrivaled potential health benefits, and it is only available at CTFO. With the 60-day empty bottle money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Simply click the Shop Now button to order your bottle of CTFO's 10x Pure.